Wondering how your small business can use Facebook to stand out locally? Today we'll unlock the secret to attracting a local crowd right to your doorstep. Hello there, fellow small business owners. Today I'm here to help you uncover the secret to attracting more local customers for your small business using Facebook. Facebook, with its billions of active users, is a treasure trove of potential customers just waiting to be discovered. And with its advanced features, we can target our local market to bring more foot traffic to our store or more visits to our website. The first step is to create a Facebook business page if you haven't already. This is your business's home on Facebook where customers can learn about your products or services, read reviews, and engage with your content. Be sure to add all the important details such as location, business hours, and a link to your website. Next, start creating regular posts about your products, special promotions, or events. Engaging content encourages people to share and interact, spreading your brand across their own networks. Don't forget to reply to comments to foster a community and increase engagement. Now on to a powerful feature of Facebook, geo-targeted advertising. This just means running an ad that just shows in your local area. This lets you reach people based on their location. So you can target people within a certain radius of your business, say 10 miles or 20 miles of your business, ensuring that you're just reaching local customers. Setting up a geo-targeted ad is straightforward. In the audiences section of the ad setup, you'll select the locations tab, then enter your business's address, and you can just adjust the radius as needed, targeting people who are just a walk or a short drive away, depending on your market. Now, when you're creating your ad, remember to make it appealing and relevant. Use high quality images, compelling text, and include a clear call to action like shop now, call today, or visit our store. Facebook events is another great tool for local businesses. Hosting a special event, a sale, or workshop, create an event on Facebook. Invite your followers and encourage them to share it with their friends. And lastly, don't forget to monitor your progress. Facebook Insights is a powerful analytics tool that helps you understand who is engaging with your business and what content they really like. Use these insights to refine your strategy. So there you have it. By building a strong presence with engaging content, leveraging geo-targeted ads, hosting events, and using Facebook Insights, your small business can attract more local customers than ever before. Remember, patience is key here. Building an audience takes time, but with consistency and strategy, you will see results. So go ahead, give your business the Facebook boost it needs. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Until next time, keep thriving.